Why is that not working? Like what? What is changed here? Why it's not working? Just show me the fucking title. No, go back. Okay, good. Let's go here. So building a couple of things. Forge plans and student recorded where I stopped before analyzing trades. The shared joint loader. Yeah, so we need to keep 2026 out of sample, right? What exactly is your question so I can help you? But yes, you should only look at dev data to analyze trades, filter out all that stuff, right? Never look at 2026 data. Only look at the dev data, right? Whatever this data may be, just look at the dev. Can I? Okay, move this. I am lagging so hard, but my PC is fine. Wait, okay. Okay, good job so far on the novel find. Make sure that like you don't stop at one find, right? Like you really need to keep going and keep going and keep going until you cannot find anything that separates the losers from the winners, right? Like one extra thing to filter out will usually not be sufficient. Like we will need to make many changes. Right, this can go. Need to keep it on, I guess. These trades actually trade. This is price data. So I mean, for now, right, I will start with the Nasdaq or the ES, right, where we have the data from, and then later we can also branch out into crypto, like BTC stuff. Yeah, I need to put the correct tag accounts in. The accounts I use are just examples, right, to make sure everything works. So I'll need to put the correct accounts in. Is there another question? Do they actually trade? How should tweet trader reach price history, shared file database? Signal schema. For how it should read the price history, I don't know. I mean, we have CSVs, right, or Parquet files full of price history, like open OHLVC. Yeah, so for the signal scheme, this will depend on the trader. Like some of them, their playbooks, like some of them will tweet that they're stopped out, right? Usually all of them, but not always. Like the stops are not like hard coded or 20 points. Like the stops will always be dynamic. Even per trader, like the same trader will not use the same stop at all times. Like it will be different, right? But I will say for now, we will just do the tweets and not do the stop outs, right? And we will use MFA, MAE. And then yeah, that's okay. And then for yeah, this is just test accounts. You want me to give you real accounts to follow, or do we go from here? Alright, so the sweeps have finished. I think there are some good candidates. I am letting the sweeps trying to make robust strategies right now, but there should be good baseline strategies for you to start with the features from the next phases. Let's take a look first, get up to context, and then let's see what's next. For the ML Catboost. Working. I'm gonna look at my cat. Hey, Cappy. You need to happen. You want your food? You want some food? You don't eat this early. So everything is still going, it seems like. Yeah, it's still good. It's still going. Fully working. Building archive ingest. Okay. Now you have 2025, 2026 data, you just need to look for it, please. Person, YouTube, and the real account. Start with that in a bit. Morning, Abdul. Can I? No. Can't monitor it. How exactly are you analyzing these traits? Like, because I do not see you. I mean, I see one monitor, but I cannot see the output of it. So how exactly is this being done? So I can just out of curiosity. This combo is very strong, by the way. Like, not this one, but like here, right? You just tell Fable to use to follow the plan and to use GPT as workers is way better, because GPT builds way too much, and Fable is not good enough at backend. So it's a pretty good combo. And will save a lot on usage. Like if you use Fable to just build stuff, you run out super fast, and if you use Codex to build stuff, you also run out super fast, because Codex builds too much and Fable costs too much. So this way you get best of both. No, it does not end. Alright, I need to find some Twitter accounts to add. Here. Video capture. I'm only logged into one, yeah. Okay, it's fine. So, he locked. to check my phone. Can they? No. You don't ask it to look for accounts for me. What's the other guy called? I forgot his name. Okay, this is the only account I have for now. I forgot the other one. Is there a way for me to let you search for other accounts that post trades for ESNQ? Where's my phone? Let's do this. Okay. I see. Is this the best version to analyze? Like, is it the best way to do this? I'm not criticizing, I'm just questioning if this is the best way that we can build this out with the current plan that you, step by step, that you gave me. Don't really like this. Alright, I should set a goal. Can you help me set a goal for this? In short, it's to find like 5, I don't know, 5 robust strategies that okay, good. So I'm just thinking, right, because the way I am doing it is I am using my brain for every single trade, right? Obviously, if I let you analyze every single trade, right, it will be high on costs, but you can use low effort sub-agents or something, no? Like the way we do it is we analyze every single trade, right, and we think that every single trade the way you were doing it earlier is you were just getting all the features and then tweaking it around the features, but you were not actively looking into every single trait and then looking for the best solution to that strategy, right, to make it better. Sub agents, or you can spin up Terra, Sol, or Opus. So it's wait, you can use low-hour sub agents and need to analyze on to make it better in the best way possible. Like, you really need to look at a trait and then think of it how right, like, is this good, is this bad, do we want to filter this out, yes, no, and then how is the best way to filter this out. Like, the way you were doing it before is looking at like 190 features, but I don't think that's the correct way, right? In one way it's correct, yes, but I don't think it's correct because you will not find the best way to filter out the losing traits from the winning traits. You get what I'm saying? Like, we really need to think here how we're going to do this and do this the best way possible, right? Maybe you already, with the update, maybe that's already the case right now, but I'm just adding this on top. Right. For now, let's first think about what baseline strategies we want to use, right? Let's try to be as decorrelated as possible, right, with the three baskets, mean reversion, breakout, and hybrid. Let's try to get for each basket, right? And then let's start planning on how we want to do the core 17 features, right? How do we know that these features are essentially in the core, right? That they are good, they're not toxic, all that stuff. So let's start with first things first, right? Alright, it's working. Is it still going? How's this going? How's the progress? It's working. Okay. And then this. Yeah, sure. Wait. The research couldn't read live X timelines. Log in while it worked. The actual verification at candidates backfill their history to an orange session similar to the post. Yeah, let's do those 5 or 6, right? Let's pull backfill their histories, right? And then let's also set up the data. For the data, we are recording it, I think, live in our own Jarvis app, so we need to take a look where the candles is, but let's also backfill that data, or put the path so we can render it correctly. Also, if we do 5 or 6 accounts now, you will need to be careful with the rate limits, right? Alright, yeah, it's better now. I just don't want to eat 1million tokens. Fable with high effort? Don't tell me you're spawning Fable with high effort on everything. What agent efforts and models are you spawning? IQ 4.5. Okay. Yeah, okay. I don't think IQ is correct, right? Because it's especially made for low effort things, right? And this needs deep thinking. But we cannot use Fable for everything, right? So we will really need to think here about how we're going to solve this, right? Like, we can use HiQ, but like you will launch 100 batches full of HiQ, and I don't think you will get anything meaningful in return, and only spend millions of tokens. So design choices. The battery test itself, threshold log for results. I do not know very much about machine learning, but we have a lot of research on it right done. So let's check if this is the correct way for the features to be done. And if you are unsure, please try to do some research online. There are probably good papers and stuff, right, that cover this. Did it break? Hello? Yeah, it broke. Okay, so I do not know what CHAP is. I don't know very much about machine learning, but we did a lot of research on it. So try to look if this is the best way for the features, right? If you, I also want you to do research online about this, what we're doing, right? Because the most important step is getting the features right. Like, this is like 20 times more important than anything else, right? So we really need to nail this. So try to do some research online about how to get correct features for large trading models, or other, like maybe you can use examples from large language models, right? Like or other like machine learning neural networks, right? In the field, maybe you can use some examples from there. Feel free to search whatever you think is best. Okay, I don't know what it said. Yeah, it's fucking back. Okay, I'm seeing some batches finished. Sorry, I don't know what you said to my last response. Can you please repeat? I need to keep here, so I don't want to miss it. To measure how much each feature contributes to individual prediction. Train a model to predict each individual trade outcome using all 190 contexts. Yeah, but I did not ask you to train a model. Like, you need to structure a plan about how we are going to upgrade these strategies. Like, I said you a million things about how we like how I do it, right? And so you should know what to do. No, just make a plan and then follow it, right? Without spending 10 billion tokens, please. I'll keep it for now, but it's working, so I won't tell it what to do. Oh, this is still up. It's fine, just set up the tweets and I will continue from another folder, thank you. Also, can you put what time zone the tweet will be in for the backtest? This is quite important to know so we have the correct time, thank you. But it's still the same, so I don't see how it's running. Yeah, I don't see how. I'll just wait, see what it comes up with ever. She's literally refusing to do this work. Besides, if keep delta becomes remove the whole correlated group and retrain. Judging moves from single features to feature cluster. Shuffle test, get real teats. Let me know when it finishes. Using breakout hybrid correlation flags. It's fine. I think it's fine. Alright, you know what the best candidates are for this. I trust you on this. Run the battery on the core 17, train core only models per basket, and finally. Yes. We can run the battery V2, I mean after it lands, right? Can run it on the core 17, but so how do we know that we have the correct core features exactly? Or is this what the battery is doing? So what the battery does. Battery adds at least 17 almost. Each sheet gets attacked from every direction we know. Bro, is token maxing? I am not token maxing, okay? I'm not using 20 million loops. I mean, I am just building some stuff. I'm only at 80%, so use billions monthly. Yeah. And you should try clearing out your cache. I had to, and it like dropped my usage with 90%, right? Because the more you add to Cloud's memory, the more it tokens it needs to use for every sub agent and every new agent you spin up. So you could probably cut a lot by clearing the cache. Building our own API gateway platform. I mean, that's good, yeah. But if you use billions on Cloud, it would matter if you are building API gateway platform, no? 10 pics. Yeah, still working. Just going, nothing much to do here. Max 1 billion, 1 subscription. Yeah, that's, I mean, how do you even use 1 billion tokens? Like, you would need to have a massive cache, right, that it needs to read in every new agent you spin up. Bird operator pattern. Nineteen says every threshold locked before result get looked at unless it's pressed. 2000 model fits. Can you try use GPU for this instead of CPU? For the big tasks, try use GPU. But why did he crash? Wasn't even doing anything big. Hello? Hello? What? I think you crashed a bit. Can you tell me what we were doing? Send answer. Yes, great. Yes, but I need to resume another session. This is bugged. This session is bugged. Please terminate. Stop all current workers and make a handover. I have to wait a little bit. Can you please read this handover file and resume from it? Our previous agent's terminal crashed. Please resume from it. Try to use GPU for the heavy tasks, especially if it needs to be run for longer days. Thank you. I cannot find the path to the handover file because I cannot read the outputs anymore, but it should be there somewhere in the root folder. It will be made from today, so please read it in like the last 20 minutes or something. I'll have to wait a little bit. Model prop. Still going, and also still going. I think it's there. If it's not, just let me know. All right. Nothing much to do. Mm, 1350. No, that's a different project. We are training the Catboost thing with the baseline strategies. My escape also not working. This program gets more and more buggy by the day, I swear, man. There are no Catboost yet. Please read the I need to find the GitHub file. Please read this We've just finished up phase 1 and we're starting phase 2 with the features for the Catboost with the core features. Please, I want you to be up to date first and know all the context first from the previous session. There should be a handover file somewhere waiting for you to be read. I could see it was completed, but I do not see the output. Is there a way? Oh wait, I can read. Ask me to shut down the bug session and prepare a handover. Place the handover in persistent memory. Wait. How do I, for agents, back for agents, how do I go back? And I'm pressing backspace, or is it left arrow? Yes. Needs inputs. I think I just bugged it. This is so weird. Yeah, because you're like, I'm inside of like the tool color. Okay, thank you. It seemed like it worked. Yeah, people. Big meat. Seems like just gotta wait now. Things to finish. I woke up this morning and my MRR was down thousands of dollars. My customers did not cancel. Code written by GPT 5.6 Sol had cancelled every active Stripe subscription in my business. Oh shit. Yo boys, get out your fucking popcorn. Holy. Get out the fucking popcorn. This will take a while to load, but yeah, this is absolute cinema. Let's sound the music. Wait. Change it. Come on. It literally doesn't want to change. Don't need a moment. You look so much. You look so much. Space between. It blocks destructive commands before they execute. Create a new run catastrophic commands, get reset hard, drop table users. Yeah. Let's get this. Alright, good. Spin up a new agent. Can we install this, please? Thank you. I am hearing some things about GPT 5.6 deleting or doing things that shouldn't be done. So let's verify this repo is safe, and then let's install this for codecs, bridge minds, cloud code, etc. But replying with your own Twitter accounts is just weird. This is meme time. Can you make a meme for me for that basically expresses AI taking over the world and AI doing its own things instead of listening to its user? Because that's basically what it just did, right? I mean, I don't know the request, but that's probably what it did, right? Yeah. You can meep in front of the mic too. Hey. Are you shy? Are you shy? You shy, meeper?
There's a war inside my head, and I'm drowning in regret. When the lights come down, got an empty cup.
Meep in the mic.
My body's
No.
missing pieces. Can't pull it all together. My body's missing
Better idea.
pieces. I wish I could remember. My body's missing pieces.
Can you make it a bit more original and less AI sloppy, if possible? Thank you.
My body's missing pieces. I wish I could remember. There's a war inside my head.
I like this one more, but it's so bad.
And I'm drowning in regret. When the lights come down, got an empty crown.
I mean, yeah, this needs some traction. I want to see what Thibaut says about this, because that's quite big. It's quite a big thing, right? To happen. Yes. Proceed. Yes, go ahead. Status update. Build the CPU work. Okay. Sounds good. Report run data set. Okay. Still have. Is hair in your mouth. You loud meep? You loud meep? That is a pretty good result. I do not want you to give up, right? Like, just having one condition will not be sufficient, right? Like, you will need to think and have many conditions, right? We'll keep trying to keep the most winners, right? So there will be multiple different patterns to filter out losers and to keep winners, right? Like, don't just stop after one try. So what model am I running? I don't want to use... Yeah, this may be too much. Using max, but I was gonna do it for one strategy, right? Let's keep sticking on this one strategy, right? Let's do this one strategy, and then after you've done it, you will plan how you did it, so I can use it on lower effort, right? So that the lower effort agents know what to do from the higher effort agents. But no jumping ahead, right? We stay on this one strategy until you truly say that you do not find anything here, right? But I do not want you to give up. I want you to keep trying, right? Keep going, because this is not easy, right? This is quite a difficult task. Once archive blocks are in envelope and adapter completes. So it's building. This is still going. Alright. I think I'll call string here. Gonna go in a bit anyway. There's not much to do except waiting. And my cat wants to play or something, I don't know. So, thank you for watching. I'll probably stream a bit tomorrow as well. So I will catch you next